Hello friends, I just wanted to share with you today some of my favorite snacks for this time of year and my favorite matzah. Let me move this out of the way so you can see it. My favorite matzah that I use for cooking, and it's good for this time of the year. All right, let's see. This is one of my favorite snacks. It can be a breakfast also. With avocado. So you can either slice your avocado or you can smash it. I will show one side smashed and one side sliced. And you can use your favorite seasonings that you like on top. So I really like smoked paprika. Yeah, it's one of my favorite seasonings. So if you haven't tried smoked paprika, I would say give it a shot. Here we go with the smashed. So this is just smashed, purely smashed. And I didn't put anything else in it. You can chop onions if you wanted to. I want to show you the salt that I use. It is a mineral salt, which is very, very good for you. Now, you cannot put, you can get this on Amazon. Not this particular, I'm not sure about this particular brand, but mineral salt you can find on Amazon. I found this at the local apothecary. It is very high and it hydrates you. It's very high in hydration, and it's really good for you. I do not use any table salt at all. This is very good for you to use mineral salt. But yeah, you can't put it in a shaker. So I just sprinkle it by hand. And you just, if you want to use it in cooking, you would just measure it like you would with, you know, your measuring utensils. And smoked paprika. Excuse me, I'm that slow. Voila. So you can either put it sliced all the way over or smashed all the way over, or mix it up, have it both ways. But that is it. And now I want to show you some of my favorite healthy snacks that I enjoy this time of year. While I've got you here. Avocado, of course, avocados, and strawberries, blueberries, almonds. These are cashews. And like, this is a great time to reset your body, to eat healthy things, make good choices, and carry it throughout your year. Just stay on track, eat healthy things. These are typically the things that I do eat. So it's really not much of a change for me to eat these things. It's just changing up the bread that I eat. And also, we can have olives. Get up olives. And so something sweet that I enjoy and I eat regularly too is dates. And this is good for cooking also. If you're making crusts, it gives it a caramel flavor if you puree this and use this in your crusts versus sugar. But I really love dates as a snack, a late night snack, like when you have your sweet tooth. I just enjoy dates. I love them, and this is something good to eat. I enjoy dates. So yes, this is it, and I will be eating that in just a minute. I don't know about everything, but I'm definitely going to be eating the avocado matzah, and I will be seeing you back soon with another recipe. Thank you for joining me.